How to increase dopamine with supplements. Are you feeling low, foggy, and unmotivated with little focus? Then you should increase your dopamine levels. This video will teach you how to use supplements to raise dopamine levels. What is dopamine? Dopamine is an important neurotransmitter in our bodies that regulates a variety of brain activities, including mood, memory, and motivation. It is one of more than 100 neurotransmitters in the brain. Dopamine is also known as the feel-good hormone. It allows us to experience pleasure, motivates us to complete our goals and activities, and lets us to focus and concentrate. People with high dopamine levels, or dopamine-dominant persons, are always focused, determined, and look for the positive in every scenario. However, many people are dopamine deficient or want more natural and rewarding sources of dopamine in their lives. Dopamine insufficiency causes numerous symptoms like tiredness and fatigue, inability to sleep, craving sweet foods, lack of motivation. Similarly, inability to focus and concentrate appropriately. Frequent mood swings. Little to no concentrate when performing things are also seen when you are deficient in dopamine. Other symptoms of dopamine deficiency includes anxiety, low sexual drive, constipation, weight gain or loss, depression, muscle cramps, and discomfort. There are several natural ways to enhance dopamine levels, but today we will discuss supplements that increase dopamine levels. Supplements are one of the most effective ways to enhance dopamine levels. Natural supplements work with the body to increase and regulate the levels of dopamine generated. Let us review the 12 finest dopamine pills. Before we begin, please note that information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. 1. Tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid that converts to dopamine in the body. It is one of the most effective supplements for increasing dopamine levels. Tyrosine improves cognitive function, clarity, and memory, while also increasing dopamine levels in the body. 2. Fish oil. Taking fish oil can also help boost dopamine levels. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA enables dopamine receptors to become more sensitive, increasing dopamine's capacity to bind to receptors and lowering levels of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter generated in reaction to stress that can cause agitation. Regular consumption of fish oil supplements has been related to improved mental health and antidepressant effects, according to research. 3. L-theanine. L-theanine is an amino acid that can boost dopamine levels. It is also available in green tea. However, supplementation is the most effective approach to give the required quantities in the body. L-theanine can pass the blood-brain barrier and directly affect dopamine levels. It is recommended to take 100 to 600 milligrams every day. 4. Phosphatidylserine. Phosphatidylserine is another substance that can boost dopamine levels in the body. It is a phospholipid present in cell membranes and accounts for approximately 70% of nerve tissue mass. This phospholipid's job is to aid in the storage, release, and activation of several neurotransmitters and receptors, specifically dopamine. 5. Ginseng. Ginseng root is commonly utilized in ancient Chinese medicine to heal many diseases. It can be ingested raw, steamed, as tea, or in capsules. Ginseng contains chemicals called ginsenosides, which enhance dopamine levels in the brain and improve cognitive function and attention. 6. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, a Chinese herb, is likewise thought to increase dopamine levels. According to research, ginkgo pills can help improve mental performance, cognitive function, and mood in some people. Animal studies show that supplementing with ginkgo biloba increases dopamine levels, leading to improved memory and motivation. 7. Mucuna pruriens. Mucuna pruriens is a substance that can help raise dopamine levels. It is a tropical bean plant native to Africa, India, and southern China. The beans are dried into powder, which is then consumed as a dietary supplement in capsule form. Mucuna pruriens includes an active component, the amino acid levodopa, L-dopa, which is required by the brain to create dopamine. Mucuna pruriens can improve dopamine levels in individuals with Parkinson's disease, a neurological illness caused by a lack of dopamine. 8. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the digestive tract. They are critical for overall wellness in the body. They have been proven to boost dopamine production in the body while counteracting pathogenic bacteria that reduce dopamine production. Research indicates that probiotics can boost dopamine levels, alleviate depression, and enhance mood and anxiety. 9. Vitamin D. Did you know that insufficient vitamin D levels can be a major cause of depression? Vitamin D has numerous critical functions in the body, including regulating chemicals, neurotransmitters like dopamine. A study found that rats with vitamin D insufficiency had lowered dopamine levels, whereas supplementing with vitamin D3 enhanced them. 10. Curcumin. Turmeric's main element, curcumin, has been linked to increased dopamine levels and antidepressant benefits. One study found that ingesting 1 gram of curcumin has equivalent benefits to Prozac, an antidepressant, in boosting mood in persons with serious depressive disorders. 11. Magnesium. Magnesium insufficiency has been linked to decreased dopamine production and an increased risk of depression. A study on animals found that supplementing with magnesium boosted dopamine levels and had antidepressant effects. Interesting fact: magnesium is better absorbed externally. Magnesium oil can be applied externally by spraying it on the soles of your feet, stomach, and arms, or bathing in an Epsom salts bath for 15 minutes. 12. Oregano extract. Oregano is a potent natural antioxidant and antibacterial. Carvacrol, the principal active element, has been linked to increased dopamine production and antidepressant effects, according to this study. Oregano extract also regulates intestinal flora or beneficial gut bacteria in the body, which stimulates dopamine synthesis. How to take these supplements. Choose the supplements that are right for you, and then follow the manufacturer's directions on the back of the bottle. Remember, consistency is crucial to seeing results. If you're taking a supplement, take it every day for 3 weeks to see results, and then take a week off before restarting. If you experience any negative side effects while taking any supplements, discontinue use. It is highly recommended that you consult your healthcare provider before using these supplements if you are under any medications or have any medical issues. Well, that's it for today. Please share and subscribe for more educational health-related contents like this. See you in the next video.